Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be looking at my latest Stitch Fix, which are all preview items. So I did all the picking on this one from my huge preview that I got, and I think I have 8 items. So this is going to be fun. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. Please stick around, hit that subscribe so we can keep on doing this. All right. Stitch Fix. They've been making a lot of changes lately, of which I am in love with. The preview is an amazing ad. So, you know, this is a styling service. You typically get 5 items. If you keep all 5, 25% off with a $20 styling fee. But now you'll get a preview in advance, and it'll be like 12 items that you can choose to add into your fix. If you choose 2, your stylist will add 3. If you choose 5, then you'll get 5. But if you choose 6, 7, 8, the max you can choose is 8. You will get all 8 now, but you only have to keep the 5 to get the 25% off. They have been getting more and more brands. They have been getting better on my style. They have been listening better. So Stitch Fix has really been stepping it up, and I absolutely love it. I'll put all the information down below for you if you'd like to give this service a try. Let's dig into my box. They also have freestyle now, which means you don't have to do a fix. You can just buy an item directly from their site if you don't want to wait. I think you have 30 days to try it on and return it if you don't like it. So that's another fun ad. They, of course, do have the style shuffle game, and that's fun because you can request items like give thumbs up or thumbs down, and hopefully you have a chance of getting items that are more in line with your style. So I suggest playing that game as well. You get a bag to try anything you don't love and don't want to keep. Looks like we have some additional little advertisements in here. This one's for Factor, if you haven't tried Factor yet. All right, and then everything is now down to 1 page. You used to get 2 pages and an envelope. Now you just get this 1 page in here. This has notes from your stylist as well as your pricing sheet. And I do have 8 items. I'm excited. My stylist today was Victoria. I'm always asking for Janina back, like all the time. But since I picked all of these, it's not a big deal. And this is, what fix is this? Doesn't tell me. I don't even know what number this is. All right, let's dig in. First bundle. Looks like I have shoes in here too. All right, I already forgot what I asked for. So this first item is by Evolution, and it's a cute little V-neck, short sleeve V-neck. It has a little bit of the stitching around the neckline there. It's very soft in this cream. Okay. Then I have something by Pistola. This is called the Joanne bell sleeve cardigan. This is a nice weight. I would call it a little bit thicker. It has these buttons. They give you an extra button there too. And then here's the sleeve, a little bit of a flare there. It's got the slit. That's cute. All right, next we have something from Liverpool. This is called the Casual Jacket. This is in a nice lightweight material. I'm enjoying this color. It does have the button and the rounded shirt hem. That's cute. All right, and then I have a pair of jeans. These are by Pistola, and they are the Monroe high-rise cigarette jean. These are adorable. These have stretch. Loving the straight. Yeah, okay. That was good, right? Okay, 3 more in this one. This is a sweater by Marine Layer, and it is called the Claire Relaxed Sweater Polo. I liked all the colors in this one, I think is why I grabbed it. That's cute, right? Love the pinks, the oranges. I love color. You can see I picked color today. I'm tired of no color. Feels like it's been a long winter already. I think January did me in. Okay. Now I have Pistola Lexi mid-rise bowed straight. How cute are those? Okay. And then my last clothing item, this is by Daze Denim, and these are the Pixie high-rise straight cuff jean. I'm very much enjoying the cuffs right now, so decided to include these in my fix as well. All right, that's all the clothing. Now I have shoes. Let's see what these are. I like the new box, the new bags, by the way, right? Aren't those nice and bright? Oh yeah, these are fun. Let's see, what are these called? These are the Sam Edelman Bianca leather heel. How cute are those? Like meshy through the toe area. Has the sling back, little heel. Those are adorable, right? Okay, I hope they fit. This is going to be a fun try on. First outfit, I won the marine layer sweater and the Pistola denim. This is the, which one is this one? The Monroe crop. Okay, so they are hitting me above my ankle. I'm 5'5" for reference. They have nice stretch. I'm wearing my normal size, which is a 26. I'm really enjoying these. Also, with thinking of the weather getting better and warming up, these would be great for all things, including booties right now, but sandals, mules, all the things. Did pair them with these fun shoes they sent me by Sam Edelman with the little sling back, the cute little heel. They are mesh in the front, so you can kind of see where my toe ends, and then there's probably about 1.5 inches of pointy toe past that. So very cute. Love the neutral. They'll go with so many things. And then the sweater. How cute is this? I'm loving all the color. I did a front tuck, but you wouldn't have to if you don't want to. So cute. Very soft. Very comfy. This whole outfit is adorable. Now, my stylist also said that I could pair this Liverpool jacket over top of this sweater. I was skeptical just because of the sleeves. This is a looser sweater, but I thought she may be right. Let's see what it looks like. She was right. It fits nicely over top. It doesn't look too bulky, so there you go. I like the back. It dips down. This is a very, very cute layer. I pulled the collar out because it was a little bulky, so I didn't want it to be all caught up in there, and I think that looks really cute. Has little pockets here, buttons down the front. I pulled the sleeves out just so you could see them. I didn't even have to unbutton them to put this on. Very, very cute. All right, I already got half the items on. For the Pistola Monroe, this was the Monroe, right? Yes, the Monroe high-rise cigarette crop jean. I'm wearing a 2, 148. The Liverpool crop shirt jacket in brown. I'm wearing an extra small, $79.97, which must mean it's on sale. And then for the marine layer Claire Relaxed Sweater Polo, I'm wearing an extra small, 148. And the Sam Edelman Footwear, the Bianca leather slingback, I'm wearing a size 8, which is my normal size, 140. I have to say, I love this whole outfit. Let me know what you guys think, but I think this whole outfit is adorable. Totally bringing the spring vibes, but keeping you covered and warm until the weather actually gets there. Next up is the Pistola sweater and the Lexi bow by Pistola. So, love this denim. If you wanted to give a little bit of a barrel a try, this would be a great way to ease into it. It just has a little bit of that extra room in the knee that the barrel usually brings without being exaggerated or changing the shape of your leg completely. This is hitting me at the top of my foot. They feel really nice on. These have no stretch. If they do, it's, I would say, 1% spandex. So they are really nice fitting. I grabbed my normal size, which is a 26. And I like the way they look. I like the way they fit. So these are reminiscent of just the boyfriend. That's how I feel about them. They feel like a boyfriend jean. All right, so what do you think of this cardigan? So this is a, viscous I think it's viscose, spandex, and polyester probably. Nylon, viscose, nylon, and spandex blend. So the fabric it's very stretchy. It's not incredibly comfortable, but incredibly stretchy. I do feel like it's pulling a little bit for me, but it buttons down the front, has the collar, the cute little openings here at the sleeve. So I think it's adorable. I would probably wear it, if I were to keep it, I would probably not button this top button. I would wear it open with a top underneath, wear it all the way open, or button the bottom view and put a bralette or tank underneath. Let me know what you think. So for the Pistola Joanne bell sleeve cardigan, I'm wearing an extra small, 178. And for the Pistola Lexi mid-rise bowed straight jean, I'm wearing a 2 or 26 waist, 168. Final outfit, I have on the Daze denim and this little V-neck short sleeve sweater. Okay, let's talk about the Daze denim. I love Daze denim. So they're the kind you always want to have in your closet if you've gained a couple pounds or lost a couple pounds. They just work with you and are so comfortable regardless, so you don't feel like you are shoving yourself into your jeans because maybe you're not at your normal weight. So these are always nice to have. I love the cuff on these. I love the cuff placement hitting right above my ankle bone. I'm wearing my normal size and they fit beautifully with a little bit of extra room. I love the straight leg. I like the wash. These are so cute. They look really nice with the shoes I have on. These shoes are not hurting my feet, by the way. I got really nervous when I saw the strap because, you know, a lot of walking. I'm afraid it's going to start to rub the skin off of my ankle. But so far, I'm not feeling anything. It's comfortable, stretchy. The shoes are stretchy. They don't feel painful with the pointy toe. So really nice. And then here's this little V-neck. What do you think of this one? So it's a very soft sweater material. Has a little like eyelet looking stitching here around the neckline. The extra pleated look here as well. Short sleeve. I did a little front tuck, but you wouldn't have to. It has the banded bottom. I think it's a nice layer. When I first pulled the outfits together, I thought I would try it on with the jacket, try this sweater on with the jacket. My stylist suggested the sweater, which is okay, the other sweater. But I think this would also look nice together as a whole outfit, including the shoes. Yeah, I like that. Right? This jacket is a very nice lighter weight. It's gonna be perfect going into spring. Layer it now. You could easily throw like a jean jacket on over top of this. You can just just all kinds of layers, right, with this. It's a really nice add. So the Liverpool crop shirt jacket, I think I already told you this one was the one that was on sale for $79.97. The Daze denim Pixie straight cuff jean, I'm wearing a 2, $94. And then the Evolution by Cyrus V-neck short sleeve sweater, I'm wearing an extra small, $65. And that's all my pieces. What do you think the keepers are? For all 8 pieces, remember there's 8, it was $1,020.97. If I keep 5 or more, I get 25% off, 25%. All of these pieces would be $255, which would bring my total for all of them down to $765. Not a bad deal considering some of these price tags. You know, the Pistola were around the $150 mark. The shoes, $140. So there's some pricey pieces in here. I will tell you that for the price of this one, I think this sat at $148, if I'm not mistaken. $178. So this is $178. And while I like it, and if I see it on someone else, I know I'm going to love it. For me, I think I would not grab it for that price tag, so I'm going to pass on it. I loved pretty much everything else. The denim was all on point, and it was all very different. I really like this marine layer sweater, and it was one thing that I added at the end since I thought, well, I might as well get to 8, right? So why not? So I really like it. I love the Daze denim. I love the Pistola denim, all different. And this jacket for $79.97, I think is a great deal. So I want to keep the jacket. Just let me know what you think of this V-neck. Do you think this is worth keeping? I kind of like it as a layering piece, but I'm open to your thoughts. So comment down below. I will list all of these items down below in case you would like to give Stitch Fix a try and you'd like to add any of them to your fix. Don't forget you can also shop Freestyle if you want to check any pieces out. Hopefully they're on there. I will list the link, my link for Stitch Fix as well. If you use my link, you should get money towards your first box. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.